हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू क्रिएटिव किड्स। तो आज की क्लास में हम अपनी मधुबनी पेंटिंग को ही आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे। तो हमने लास्ट क्लास में कुछ बॉर्डर आइडियाज़ डिस्कस किए थे आपके साथ और कुछ बनाए भी थे हमने। सो उन्हीं बॉर्डर आइडियाज़ को हम यूज़ करेंगे मधुबनी पेंटिंग में। एंड वी हैव डन विद ब्लैक परमानेंट मार्कर और द इंक, राइट? और वी कैन यूज़ ब्लैक जेल पेन ऑल्सो. So we have created this artwork in this class. So let's do it with me. And this technique of the Madhubani painting is known as the Kachani technique. So basically we have 5 techniques in Madhubani paintings, but this is the one most important technique which we are going to draw today. So let's do it with me. Madhubani painting is also known as Mithila painting. It is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of Indian subcontinent. This painting is done with a variety of tools including figures, twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks, and using natural dyes and pigments. In this painting, I am using OHP marker or permanent marker, we can say. It is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical patterns. There is a ritual content for particular occasions such as birth or marriage, and festivals such as Holi, Suryashati, Kali Puja and Durga Puja, etc. First of all, we will complete our drawing, and after that we will complete the detail work. If you are not much confident, then draw it with the pencil first, and after that you can make their outline with the marker or gel pen. In this picture, I am going to draw a peacock and a tree around the peacock. This pattern of the flower is already taught in my previous class. If you want to know all the Madhubani borders, then you can check out the link in the description box. Madhubani painting was traditionally created by the women of various communities in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. It originated from Madhubani district of the Mithila region of Bihar. Madhubani is also a major export center of these paintings. This painting as a form of wall art was practiced widely throughout the region. The more recent development of painting on paper and canvas mainly originated among the villages around Madhubani, and it is these later developments that led to term Madhubani art being used alongside The paintings were traditionally done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts. But now they are also done on cloth, handmade paper, and canvas. Madhubani paintings are made from the paste of powdered rice. Madhubani painting has remained confined to a compact geographical area, and the skills have been passed on through centuries. The content and the style have largely remained the same. Thus, Madhubani painting has received geographical indication status. Madhubani paintings use two-dimensional imagery, and the colors used are derived from plants. Ochre, lamp black, and red are used for reddish brown and black respectively. Madhubani paintings mostly depict people and their association with nature and scenes and deities from the ancient epics. Natural objects like the sun, the moon, and religious plants like tulsi are also widely painted, along with scenes from the royal court and social events like weddings. Generally, no space is left empty. The gaps are filled by paintings of flowers, animals, birds, and geometrical designs. Traditionally, painting was one of the skills that was passed down from generation to generation in the families of the Mithila region. Mainly by the women, it is still practiced and kept alive in institutions spread across the Mithila region. Madhubani painting is divided into 5 forms. Number 1 is Kachani, which we are going to draw on the screen. Number 2 is Bharni. Number 3 is Tantric style. Number 4 is Godhna. And number 5 is Kobhar style. So in our further classes, we'll cover all the style and patterns, methods and material are used. This Kachani style is also known as etching technique. As you can see, we are doing etching and cross etching all over the painting. If this painting is helpful for you, then please do like, share, comments and subscribe my YouTube channel for more art and craft videos. This video is all about Kachani technique, and in my next video I will teach you Bharni method of the Madhubani art. In Kachani technique we generally draw with the black color only, and if we are talking about Bharni technique, then we used some vibrant colors to fill the painting. The basic method will be the same, but medium which we will use in this painting is different. I hope you all like this video. If you like, then please do comment and do let me know which part of the painting you like the most. I used permanent marker for the drawing, and for the detailed work I am using gel pen here. You can use Microne pen also, which is available in the market by 0.2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm and in various sizes. Microne pen is generally waterproof. The ink will not spread if you will use that. There are some chances to spread the ink if you are using gel pen. But initially you can try and learn with the gel pen, as I am doing. Now our painting is complete. You can see how beautiful it is looking. You can make the same and you can create some more pattern with your choice and your imagination. Bye everyone, have a good day. We'll see you in the next class.